What's going on, guys? That's right. It's two videos in one day, two recaps. I actually traded a small cap stock, low float. Check it out. Guys, remember, just one more little quick reminder, the 10,000 subscriber challenge. Once we hit 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to fund one of your trading accounts. That's right. Remember, I put out a video on Saturday that lets you know that once we hit 10,000 subscribers, we're going to run a free giveaway where one lucky winner is going to win a $500 funded trading account. So you got to make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And I know a lot of you, I watch the analytics, watch my channel all the time, but you don't hit the subscribe button. If you want to try to be a part of that, or at least help me get there so that, I can bless somebody with that opportunity, like I said in my video, then, help me out here, help out that person, subscribe to the channel. That way we can reach 10,000 subscribers sooner rather than later. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and jump into the second recap of the day. And I really didn't expect to take this trade. At the end of the day, this was just came out of the blue. I've been wanting to take a small cap trade for you guys just to, show you how I would trade it and just put up a small cap recap because I haven't done one of those in a while now. I've been, just trading options, Tesla, SPCE, SPY. I think I traded SHOP a while back, like a week ago or 2 weeks ago, actually. The small cap sector hasn't been hot for me, so I've gravitated to where I've been able to make consistent money. I sound like a little dust there. Gravitate towards where I can make a little money, and that's where I've been. And today, as you saw in my earlier recap this morning, I traded the SPY and did pretty decent on it. And speaking of which, it's nasty. Like, this is bloody, guys. Tomorrow's going to be very interesting. I mean, I'd imagine a gap down, but I don't know. I don't know what to tell you here. I actually had bought 5 put contracts right in here for a swing. I was going to swing these into tomorrow, and when we had this bounce right here, I sold them. I didn't like it. The volume had increased, and we bounced pretty strong, and it shook me out. Big mistake, because look at that. But I mean, it is what it is. We'll see what happens tomorrow. But I traded a small cap. And we're going to go ahead and go into that trade here. I'm going to show you what I did, what my targets were, and my stops as well. And we're going to go ahead and jump right on into it. Now, before we do me the quick favor, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment in the comment section below. Let me know if you caught a piece of this CODX. That's right, I traded CODX today. It had news right towards the end of the day, a little bit after 3 p.m. It had news, and look at this move, guys. Look at this. So this is CODX all day long. It really didn't do much. We had the gap up from $3 all the way up here to 350 area, and it just held between this 325, 310, and just held that area all day. And then finally, right here at 3:30 and change p.m., it broke over VWAP and it went from 325 all the way up here to $3.60. That's a nice move. And it got halted. And that was all based off of news. What news, you might ask? Well, what news do you think would cause something like that on these plays? CO Diagnostics, Inc. receives CE mark for novel coronavirus test. Another coronavirus stock, man, right there. Boom. That's going to be enough to get this thing to move. And it moved. It went from $3.26 to a high of... There we go. To a high of $4.40 right here. You see it on the level 2. I'm not sure. Can you see that? Right there, 440. And right here on the chart, you see it. It looks like 441 on the chart, but I'm pretty sure that's just not right. Maybe it's just me and putting that line up there. But yeah, 440, that's a real nice move. And I did catch a piece of this move. I caught a real nice chunk of it. Now, I didn't get to record it live because it wasn't on my E-Trade account. I was fooling around with my Charles Schwab. I got really mad at E-Trade a while back, and I switched over to Charles Schwab. And I have been trying to learn that Street Smart Edge software. It's pretty good. The software, I'm not going to lie, is really nice, but I feel it's new, so maybe that's why I feel like it's a little clunky. I don't know. It doesn't feel, not that the deliveries, the sends, not that is clunky. It's just like, how do I have to go like, okay, click, buy, like how do I input my orders? It's not as smooth and easy as E-Trade is. So I'm on the fence. I'm on the fence. But I used it. I was, messing around and I wanted to see how it would work, and I used it. So I'm going to show you my orders here real quick. I'll show you my orders, and then after that, I will go ahead and show you my trade. So first things first, let's go ahead and jump into this order. So there we go. Perfect. So you see here, bought. Can you see? Yeah, bought 1,000 shares, CODX at $3.96. Okay. And then I promptly sold. See if we can get that up here. These are the notifications I get in my email. And then I sold 1,000 shares, CODX, at $4.26. 30 cents a share, 1,000 shares, simple math, 300 bones. That was awesome, super fun. And I was very happy to have caught a piece of that trade. Whoops. And let's go ahead now and get you the daily chart over here, so you can see the levels that I was looking at. Okay. So, mind you, we pushed it up to $3.60 something cents, got halted, pushed up from there, and went up here to the 380s. Okay. So my stop was going to be just under there. So I was risking about 15, 16, maybe 17 cents maxed out, if I got stopped out. And I was looking at an upside of at least a test of this, what is this? This previous high here at 423. Okay. And I was watching the level 2. I was watching the chart. And as soon as we, got out of the halt right here on this little dip, I jumped in there, boom, 1,000 shares. And because what had happened was it just pulled back in, and then it just started retracing straight up, lots of volume coming in, jumped right on in there, and held this as my stop. Okay, and then once we broke over 4, I was super comfortable, super comfortable, and then I was just waiting for it to go test that area. It got to the 415s, the 416s, 418s, and I was like, all right, perfect. Let's see if we bump over 420. I'm going to take 500 off, and I'm going to hold on 500 shares, looking to see if we can get to 450. All of a sudden, it pushed up a little bit high, and this is where I fumble. I went to sell just half my shares on the Charles Schwab, and I ended up selling them all. And I sold them all right up here at 426 as we broke up through this high. And it's a shame. I mean, I guess it's fine because I really didn't want to sell until 450 the last half. So it's not like I was going to get that because the high day is 440. But hey, whatever, man. $300 on a trade that I didn't even have this on my radar really today. A couple guys talking about it in the morning, and my buddy Alex nailed this since Friday. He's been in on this one. So I mean, there's people that have been playing it. It's been in play. Look at the daily chart. The daily chart's been in play. It's still in play. I'm definitely going to watch this tomorrow, but I'm just happy to have nailed it the way I did right then and there, because it was a clean trade and it was a small cap, and I haven't done one of those for you guys. You can see here the float, 15 million shares. So I really was happy to be able to do that and take that trade and bring it here for you guys to see. And right now in after hours, it's holding up well. It's holding up well. As long as I can hold up over this 360 area, this thing could be in play tomorrow. I like it a lot, and I'm definitely going to keep it on watch. But for now, that's pretty much it for me. As far as the day went, we nailed the SPY in the morning. 2 trades on it were red. Then we nailed that 1 green trade that brought me well back into the green on the day. Then stopped out of those SPY put option swing trades, which was a mistake. I got shaken out. Still, it's like a scratch trade. It was really like small green, but I'll just call it a scratch trade. And then bam, we nailed the CODX. Now the CODX was risky because I traded it right out of the halt. I haven't done one of those in I probably think like a month. So I was really happy to be able to jump in there and make a fast trade. Like that was a really quick in and out, high profit trade. So I'm happy to be able to get, trade in that one and trade the SPY. And I'm just, trying to stay consistent. That's all at this point. It's all about consistency and whatever is in play. It just so happens CODX was in play in the afternoon. So I grabbed a piece of it and nailed a nice profit. And I'm really happy because that puts me, well into the green on the day and starting off the week strong. Now, tomorrow, I don't know what's going to happen. We're going to see and what the market wants to do. I mean, we closed off today down what, 1,031 points on the Dow. So I mean, yeah, 1,031. That's 3.56% down. That's a hefty pullback. So no telling what tomorrow's going to happen. I wish I would have still had those puts for the swing. Didn't work out that way. Got shaken out. If tomorrow SPY's in play again, then I'm for sure going to be looking to trade the SPY, you know. It's just that simple. I think the next options up for grabs with the nearest expiration date are Wednesday, so it won't be too volatile. Might be able to grab, you know, some size on them and make some good profit. But that's it for me today. Let me know how you did. Drop it in the comment section below. Remember to check the link in the description section for Webull. You download that app and you fund your account and you get 2 free stocks. So no brainer, free money. Who says no to that? Smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I'll catch you on the next one.